Top benefits of a meditation group. There must be a reason that some are able to meditate very well while others aren't able to accomplish this. If anybody is able to meditate, then why can some people do it very well while others struggle? If you are ever been into a meditation group, then you may know the answer to this is actually very simple. If you never try to meditate, then you may want not understand how hard it can be. This is especially true if you're a parent with a family. Trying to get all of the work around the house that needs to be done along with the work you have to do every day can be challenging, and therefore you may never have time to relax. For some, it is the biggest problem. They can find a way to get themselves to relax and actually perform meditation. By using a meditation group, you may be able to learn how to discipline yourself into relaxing. What is meditation group? A meditation group is a group of people who want to become good at meditating. There are many reasons that a meditation group may be formed. Some groups are used for creating a sense of comfort. Some people do not feel comfortable trying to meditate alone. They may feel insignificant when in a meditation group. This feeling disappears and the person is able to relax. Another reason that a meditation group is formed is for people who want to come up with new ideas. Sometimes the group will meet and meditate together, while other times they may just meet to talk about meditation. This is very helpful for creating new ideas of relaxing body, mind, and soul. It's also very easy to find things that may help you meditate better. What are the benefits of group meditation? There have been various studies that prove several different benefits of group meditation. The biggest benefit of a meditation group is the ability to make people feel comfortable. This is because they are in a surrounding with other people doing the same activity. Even if they aren't communicating, feeling a part of something will help you feel more relaxed. This is a huge benefit for anyone who has never tried meditation before. How do I get started with a meditation group? There are a couple ways that you can get started with a meditation group. You can find one to join, or you can create one yourself. Many people join in a meditation group because they have the guidance and it's easier than trying to get yourself. However, if you create your own meditation group, you'll be able to benefit even more from it. If you're thinking about joining a creating meditation group, then you should join one. You don't have anything to lose but a lot to gain. If you want to be really creative, then you should start a meditation group. Resource box. Creating a meditation group can be more beneficial than joining one. You can have friends and family members join in your group and create stronger bonds than you ever have. You'll also be improving your overall health as well as yours. Top benefits of a meditation group.